Today I want to show you my parcel from AliExpress. Okay. So let's have a look inside. It's a cup with the saucer. So let's open it. It's a shiny cup. And here is the saucer with a mysterious image here. Now to see the image, we need the reflection of the cup. I hope you can see something here. So that's basically the reflection of that image. It's a horse running. Okay, I'm going to put on the display and see whether you can get the image better. Interestingly, this is something I can show you in camera, but it doesn't work in real life. So you can see the animation of the running horse is working here, but in real life, when we look in an image with two eyes, we see it in 3D. So basically the covering the lines, it doesn't work. I rather have a distorted static image than the animated image. It's good to show it in the camera, but don't expect the animation works well in real life unless you close one eye. Okay, that's my verdict of my cup. I'm a little bit disappointed. It looks interesting in the online video and I bought it. It doesn't really work for me. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like it, please give me a thumb up. Thank you for watching. Bye!